Hello everyone, my name is Mete Avcı and I'm here to start my first YouTube video career. I am actually here for, I've been around for 12 years on YouTube but haven't produced anything useful since. So this is a bit really exciting thing for me actually. So I feel like this is not gonna be a regular course that you can see every day. Instead, this is gonna be a powerful video series that is taken while actually producing code with AI, producing working applications, functional applitions with UIs, mostly Python apps, desktop applications. So you should expect working functions as a whole, working applications. So don't expect everyday things. This is why this course is different. So I can say that the difference with this course lies in its method. The method is actually do the task, do a project, not just train yourself to do it, but pick your weapon and fight actually. So that's the aim. We're not here to brief things, we're not here to overview, we're here to handle things, deploy things, run things, have good results, have perfect results, perfect these results, and understand how AI understands humans actually. So the promising thing is that we're gonna have actual applications. We're gonna do whatever we want with those applications. So I think it's exciting. I hope you are excited as well. So in terms of personas, I mean, who can use this course to do things? I believe it's for everyone. Of course, specifically for developers, for software engineers, of course, but you can come from any field and you will always find this useful, find this course useful. And if you are curious about what you need in the course to begin the course, here's the list. You need to have one subscription to one of these models because we're gonna use them to create huge code blocks, huge code written. So it's not possible to do it with free versions. You need to have a paid subscription to ChatGPT and Google Gemini, to one of them, whatever you choose. So definitely an internet access needed. And we're gonna use VS Code. I'm gonna use VS Code. You can use different text editors. I'm gonna use Docs and Colab from time to time also. And there's nothing else actually. You can set up the environment with these three only. And maybe we can say CMD or terminal. Yeah, you're gonna need to use it very often. All right. So I think we are now ready to start the first module, and I'll see you in the next video to discuss everything about it. And it's not for 8-week course anymore. It's not clear yet. So module 1 will be all about writing great prompts that AI will understand best. See you in the next video.